Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very, honestly, I don't even know if I want to upload this video because I know while filming it I was panicking and so freaking nervous throughout the entire video. You can just see with my like personality and mood now versus in my kitchen. I was having like freaking panic attacks in my kitchen. Like I was just so nervous. I was just literally like dropping everything. But today your girl got a fun little video for you guys. I filmed Tay's strawberry milk recipe in the Soop. If you guys haven't watched it, I can't link it because you gotta buy it, but you can watch it on a Weverse. And yeah, he basically taught us how to make his morning strawberry milk recipe. It basically consists of strawberries and Yakult, and I filmed it in my kitchen. The lighting was ass, and I'm so sorry for that. I literally brought out my HD light, the same lighting I use in my room, but the lighting in my kitchen just really sucks. I couldn't really do much with that. I'm really sorry again, but hopefully it's okay when I edit. But this was the result. If you guys want to know if it tastes good or not, keep on watching. If you want to know how to make it, keep on watching. If you're new here, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up for me, and also I'm going to be filming a video review on this. This is Jimin's Cold Brew Americano. This is BTS Americano collaboration they did. If you guys want to see a video on that, I've already filmed it, so it will probably be linked below, but this video will probably be uploaded first, and then this one will be uploaded afterwards. And if you're new here, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up for me. It helps me out so much, and I'm so sorry for this next 5 minutes. Is going to be the most annoying time of your life because I was so nervous and just, yeah, I'm not used to filming in my kitchen, and you can see so just talking about it makes me nervous. I'm not used to filming in my kitchen, and you guys can see that in the video. I'm sorry for being the most awkward person in the world, but yeah, here's the clip. So first up, I need to get one of these thingies because I wash my strawberries, because if you don't freaking wash your fruits. Am I washed out? No, yes, I can't freaking tell. Whatever. So I'm gonna take a drainage thing. I don't know what these are called, but these things with holes. I washed my strawberries. I rinsed it with like the Trader Joe's, whatever the heck these are called. This is like the fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's. Wash your fruits. It's COVID season. Wash your fruits. For the strawberry milk, you're going to need a NutriBullet. I think he actually uses a NutriBullet as well. You can use a blender. It's basically a blender. I have a NutriBullet, so we're going to do exactly what Tay did because I have all the same ingredients for once. You're going to need some strawberries. I was going to use frozen strawberries, but the frozen ones would have probably made this into like a milkshake type smoothie type thing, and his was clearly like strawberry milk, so we're just using fresh strawberries. You can literally get them at any grocery stores. I think I'm gonna use like 6 strawberries. I didn't spend the time to count how many strawberries he used, and I'm pretty sure he didn't count them either, so I'm gonna take like 6 to 7 strawberries. Obviously the more strawberries you're gonna use, the thicker the consistency of your milk will be. So I think we'll start off with 6 for now, and then I'll add more as I need to. I'm gonna cut up my strawberries. That is a lot of waste for strawberries. I will eat that. So we're gonna put the strawberries into the NutriBullet. I wanna just, it's easier to eye these strawberries once I have them in the NutriBullet. I think this is how much, 6 strawberries. I think I'm gonna add like 2 more. So we have 8 strawberries in here. And then instead of milk, you can use milk, but he used Yakult. And if you don't know what this is, so growing up, I thought this was like a yogurt drink. It still is. It's like a Asian yogurt drink, but it's actually like a probiotic drink. So I'm a little bit confused why he used this, but I mean, I don't know why he used it, but it's basically like a yogurt drink. I drank these all the time growing up. Actually, if you watch To All the Boys I Love, they actually made this really, really popular. It used to be like $1, and now it's like $3 to $4 at the grocery store because Netflix blew that shit up. But you're only supposed to drink like 1 or 2 a day, or else you're gonna be going to the restroom a lot. I think he used around like 2.5. You can definitely, honestly, if you're Asian and you grew up drinking this, your body is probably freaking immune to the probiotics. Anyways, I'm not a scientist, I'm just saying random shit. But yeah, I used to drink these all the time, and like these are so freaking good. If you put these into the freezer and make them into like little ice cream slushies, like I've just freeze this thing, I feel like as a kid these were so much smaller, but they look so much bigger now. But you can put them in the freezer. That's what I used to do, and I would just kind of eat it like a slushie, and it's really good. But also, I can't tear this. This is why I don't do cooking videos. Also, you can just drink it. I drink it all the time. I literally grew up drinking this, and I'm sure the boys did as well. Like every single Asian grew up drinking this. I just spilled this. I don't know why when I film cooking videos, I'm like 10 times more of a klutz. I really liked it. I really like it, obviously. Oh, wow. Actually does give you a lot of liquid. He used 2.5. That was what I actually made sure to check. He used around like 2.5 of these. So he used 2.5. So I'm gonna blend this sucker up. So if I spill this, my mom's gonna kill me. Okay. That was my thumbnail. Let's taste test this. I really hope this is good. Okay, I'm gonna remove the strawberry. I can't freaking talk because I'm so freaking nervous. I'm confused what I'm drinking. It doesn't taste like strawberry milk. It tasted like I blended up strawberries with water. I'm a little bit confused. This does not taste like strawberry milk. I'm so sorry. Did I do something wrong? Dude, how do you mess up blending strawberries in your in a blender and still mess up the recipe? So this was the result, and I'm so sorry it was a shit show, but if you guys want me to do more cooking videos, let me know. I will probably not film another one unless it's like highly requested. I hate filming it in my kitchen. I don't know why. The lighting also sucks, and I just have really bad anxiety the entire time I'm filming, and it's just, I don't know. But if you guys want more videos, let me know. I know you guys do like those cooking ones, like the ATEEZ one. You guys really liked it, so yeah, let me know. I know Jin has a lot of cooking recipes, and have I tried to do them for you guys? Absolutely. Have they failed every single time? Absolutely. So if you guys want me to recreate anyone's, just have it kind of be easy. I know Mark Twain has one that's pretty easy. I kind of wanted to do it, and I tried to do it for you guys during quarantine, but my order got canceled because it was from Korea, and I couldn't order it here during a pandemic apparently. But yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. Please just give this video a thumbs up for me because I literally was having like 50 anxiety attacks as I was filming this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And also, I kind of want to film a Tae and Jin skincare video. I know what skincare brands they use and what skincare products they use. It's just kind of pricey. But if you guys request it in the comments down below, and I know you guys are interested, I will definitely film it for you guys. And I love you so, so, so much. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye!